Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Hello, good people, and welcome back to Passionately Intrigued Arts. And this is Tracy. I'm coming back with a review of the Dollar Tree epoxy that I found at my Dollar Tree. Um, it is not the craft square epoxy. I didn't realize and didn't know that they have a crafter square epoxy. Heather told me that, chronic condition. Says she has that kind, but I haven't seen that either. So this is a brand. It is called Color Flow Resin Studio Epoxy. And when I went online, they were out of stock of this. Now, I didn't look for the Crafter Square resin because I didn't know they would have it in that. So I'm going to check online again. However, I have the results of the items that I did previously with this 2 ounces of resin from the Dollar Tree. So the first one was my dominoes, and I needed to just top off of a couple of them. And which ones did I top off? It's hard to tell. They came out smooth. I think it was these two. They did good. I don't have a problem. They covered the little holes, the little dots that I wanted them to cover. Okay, and as far as I can tell, it's clear. The next thing I did, I put a thin coat of the UV resin on this ceramic coaster that had alcohol ink on it, and it's coated. It's smooth. I don't see any bubbles, and it turned out nice. Yeah, if I hold it like that, now you can see that resin on there. Okay. All right. The next thing I did was the sphere. I filled it with the resin with this little ballerina dress type thing in here. I just topped it off with a couple little dots, little glitter foam balls. So it doesn't look clear to me. And it could be because I added some glitter and some of the flakes, the iridescent flakes. So let's open this up. Put this camera down so you can get this out of here. You really got to stretch this thing to get it out. Now it could just be this mold that is not like totally clear. It's transparent, but let's see when I take this out. This is so hard to, I don't want to tear it, but it was made to stretch. So, wow. I'm going to try and roll it down maybe. Oh, I think it's clear. I think it's clear. Oh, now you know what? You got small projects, you got little things that you want to do with some epoxy resin. Go to your Dollar Tree. Would you look at that? It is clear. It is clear. It turned out so cute and so pretty. Now this is the top. I'm just going to sand that a little bit. Normally when you take these out of the spheres, this is the top and this is the bottom. But because of the way the dress was, I had to turn it upside down. So yeah, because otherwise it would sit flat, and wouldn't roll. But since I had to turn it upside down, it's going to roll a little bit. But that's okay. This was just an experiment, and I'm going to give it to my granddaughter. Or maybe I'm going to save it, because I don't know. I've had it for 4 years. That was from her baby shower. But look at there. And you see the resin. Not the resin, but the glitter that I put in there and the iridescent flakes. I don't know if you can see that or not. But it didn't look clear to me. You know why? Probably because this is kind of milky. And then that dress kind of threw me off until I took it out of the mold. So, Dollar Tree, you get a thumbs up. You get 2 thumbs up from me. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Even if you bought 4 or 5 of them so that you can get a little amount to make something into a larger mold or whatever. Yeah. Go get you some Dollar Tree resin. Seriously. Seriously. Okay, tell me what you think. Let me know if you're running to the store to get some, and then let me see what you're going to make. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Come on back. Come on back and have a wonderful day. Peace and love. I'm out. Toodles!
As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.